My name is Wouter Sturkenboom and I work within the Investment Strategy team in the London office. The strategy team consists of 8 strategists that are globally positioned. We have a team in Seattle, a team in London and a team in Sydney. And the interaction between those people is very intense because we all need to know at all times what we are thinking and what our current view is given where markets and the economy are moving. Well, when it comes to investment strategy, we believe in an active approach. And we think that if we look at financial markets, they have a tendency to overshoot in both sentiment and valuation. And when that happens, we want to be there to take advantage of those overshoots. And the building blocks we use to do so are sentiment, valuation and the business cycle, of which we always do on all 3 components, both quantitative and qualitative analysis. So we really go in, think about what the quantitative signals are telling us, which we have a very advanced model suite to do so, and then we look forward qualitatively about what's happening in the world, things that aren't picked up by the models, and based on those components, we will make a recommendation to both our clients and our portfolio managers. Portfolio construction is intimately related to investment strategy. In fact, if I were an investment strategist not being able to influence portfolio construction, I wouldn't really want to be an investment strategist. And I am, so we do have an influence. In fact, even if you look at the position that we have within the office, we are right in the middle of the investment teams. So we are talking almost hourly to the PMs, thinking about what their needs are, what their questions are, and how we can help them make those choices. And a good example of what we do in the interaction with the portfolio managers, for instance, was a few weeks ago when we saw that the volatility priced into the equity markets was very low. While the pricing of the equity market itself was pretty high, we decided to put in a defensive strategy to protect ourselves against the downside risk within equities. And that defensive strategy was then put in place and is now still open in line with our slightly defensive and cautious outlook on equities globally. I think the interaction between the strategy team and the portfolio management team is much closer than many of our competitors can have. And also, because we have this global network of manager research, we get a lot of information from those managers as well that we can integrate into our strategy views. And Russell being a unique firm in this respect, because no other firm has this much reach, I think we can really utilize something unique in investment strategy that no one else can.